AI agents are completely changing how small businesses operate on a daily basis. But here's the thing. Most business owners still don't fully understand what these agents actually do, or more importantly, how they can help their specific business. In this video, I'm going to break it all down in a simple, clear way that makes sense. Why this matters. Here's what you need to understand right now. AI is no longer some futuristic concept that's coming down the road. It's already here, and it's already transforming businesses today. The companies that take the time to understand it early are going to have a massive competitive advantage over those that wait. What we'll cover. So here's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. First, what AI agents actually are in plain English. Then, what can they do for your business specifically? We'll talk about how they help you save time and make more money. I'll show you real examples from actual businesses. And finally, how you can get started without getting overwhelmed. Who this is for. Now, this video is specifically designed for small business owners, service-based businesses, dealerships, logistics companies, and really anyone who feels like they're spending way too much time on tasks that don't actually grow their business. If you want to save time, reduce stress, and automate the work that's holding you back, this is for you. The problem. The daily grind. Let's start by talking about the reality most small businesses face every single day. Most businesses are wasting hours and hours on basic repetitive tasks. It's happening quietly, it's happening constantly, and it's costing you way more than you think. The worst part, most people don't even realize how much time they're actually losing. Examples of lost time. Think about your typical day for a second. How much time do you spend answering the same messages over and over, manually scheduling appointments back and forth, updating your CRM with customer information, sending out invoices one by one, following up with leads that went cold? Each of these tasks might only take a few minutes, but when you add them all up across a week or a month, they're taking a massive amount of your time and energy. Hidden costs. But here's the real problem with all this manual work. While you're busy doing these repetitive tasks, your business is actually suffering in ways you might not immediately see. Your response times get slower, which means potential customers are going to your competitors. Leads fall through the cracks and disappear, and your staff gets overwhelmed and burned out, which affects everything else in your business. The business bottleneck. The bottom line is this: you cannot grow your business if you're stuck doing everything manually. You become the bottleneck. Your growth stops because there are only so many hours in the day. This is exactly where AI agents come in and completely remove that bottleneck, allowing you to scale without hiring a massive team. What an AI agent is. Simple definition. So let's break down what an AI agent actually is in the simplest terms possible. Think of an AI agent as a digital worker for your business. It's software that learns your specific tasks, understands how you want things done, and then does those tasks for you automatically. It's not magic. It's just smart automation that keeps getting better over time. Not just a chatbot. Now here's something really important to understand. AI agents are completely different from basic chatbots. Chatbots can only give answers to questions. They're basically glorified FAQ systems. But AI agents, they actually take real action. They book appointments in your calendar. They send detailed information to customers. They update your systems. They create tasks. They do actual work that moves your business forward. Always on. Think about this for a second. AI agents work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They don't sleep, they don't take breaks, they don't forget things, and they never call in sick. They're working while you're sleeping, on weekends, during holidays. Your business literally never stops serving customers, even when you're completely offline. Multitasking. And here's something that really blows people's minds. One single AI agent can handle dozens, even hundreds of conversations and tasks at the exact same time without slowing down at all. Imagine trying to talk to 20 customers at once yourself. You can't. But your AI agent can, and it gives each one perfect attention and fast responses. Capability. Number 1. Customer communication. Instant responses. Let's talk about the first major capability of AI agents: customer communication. The number one thing customers want today is speed. They want instant replies. When a potential customer messages you at 9 p.m. on a Saturday night, your AI agent responds immediately with exactly the information they need. No waiting, no delays, no missed opportunities. Handles common questions. Your AI agent handles all those common questions that customers ask every single day. Questions about your prices, what's available, your hours of operation, your policies and procedures. All of that gets answered instantly and accurately, which frees up your time to focus on the conversations that actually need your personal attention. Books appointments. But it doesn't stop at just answering questions. Your AI agent can actually book appointments directly into your calendar. It checks availability, finds a time that works, confirms the appointment with the customer, and even sends automatic reminders so people don't forget to show up. The entire scheduling process happens without you touching anything. Qualifies leads. Here's one of the most valuable things AI agents do. They qualify your leads for you. They ask the right questions, figure out if someone is serious or just browsing, and separate the real opportunities from the time wasters. The serious customers who are ready to book or buy get sent directly to you. Everyone else gets filtered out. You only spend your time on leads that actually matter. Follows up automatically. And probably one of the biggest game changers is automatic follow-up. We all know that following up is critical, but let's be honest, we forget. We get busy. Life happens. Your AI agent never forgets. It automatically follows up with leads at exactly the right time, keeps them warm, nurtures them, and brings them back when they're ready to buy. Capability number 2, automating workflows. Automates repetitive tasks. The second major capability is workflow automation. AI agents take over all those repetitive, boring tasks that you normally have to do by hand. The stuff that eats up your day but doesn't actually require your expertise or decision-making. That's what gets automated first, giving you back hours every single day. Updates CRM. Your AI agent keeps your CRM perfectly organized without you having to do anything. Every conversation gets logged, notes get added automatically, new contacts get created, tags get applied. Nothing falls through the cracks or gets lost in the shuffle. Your CRM actually becomes useful instead of being this messy database that nobody wants to update. Sends invoices. Invoicing is another perfect example. Your AI agent can generate invoices based on the work you've done, send them to customers automatically, and even follow up on unpaid invoices without you lifting a finger. The entire billing process runs on autopilot, which means you get paid faster and more consistently. Organizes data. AI agents are also incredible at organizing information. They sort data, upload files to the right folders, move information where it needs to go, and keep everything structured. No more digging through emails trying to find that one file. Everything is organized and easy to find because your agent handles it systematically, creates tasks. And when something needs to get done, your AI agent can create tasks for your team automatically. It assigns the right person, sets the deadline, includes all the necessary information, and makes sure everyone knows exactly what they need to do. Your entire team stays on track without constant manual coordination. Capability number 3, operations improvement. No more delays. Now let's talk about how AI agents improve your overall operations. First off, delays disappear. Work happens instantly instead of sitting in someone's to-do list or inbox. When a customer makes a request, it gets processed immediately. Your operations run smoother because nothing is waiting for someone to get around to it. Error reduction. AI agents also dramatically reduce errors in your business. They don't get tired. They don't misread information. They don't make typos. They follow instructions exactly the way you set them up every single time. This means fewer mistakes, fewer do-overs, and a much more professional experience for your customers. Consistency. You also get perfect consistency across your entire business. Every customer gets the same high-quality experience. Every task gets performed the same way. Your brand voice stays consistent. You're not dealing with the variability that comes with people having good days and bad days. The agent performs at the exact same level every single time. Works 24/7. And remember, all of this is happening 24/7. Even when you're sleeping, your AI agent is still working. It's closing deals, sending updates to customers, booking appointments, processing requests, and helping people. Your business literally never closes, which gives you a massive advantage over competitors who are only available during business hours. Real examples. Example, dealership. Let me show you some real examples of how different businesses are using AI agents. Dealerships, for example, are using AI agents to handle incoming leads instantly. When someone asks about a vehicle, the agent replies with information, answers trade-in questions, schedules test drives, and sends financing details. All of that happens automatically while the sales team focuses on closing deals in person. Example, car hauler. Car haulers and logistics companies are using AI agents to manage the entire communication workflow. The agent sends proof of delivery updates, provides dispatch information to drivers, creates invoices automatically, and keeps customers updated on where their vehicle is. Everything that used to require phone calls and manual updates now happens automatically. Example, service business. Service-based businesses like contractors, consultants, and repair companies are using AI agents to handle quotes, follow up with leads who haven't booked yet, manage the booking process, and provide ongoing customer support. The agent becomes their automated front office that never misses an opportunity. Before vs. after. Before AI, let's talk about the transformation that happens when you implement AI agents. Before AI, most businesses felt completely overwhelmed. Everything is slow because it's all manual. The team is buried in repetitive work, systems are disorganized, nothing is automated, and growth feels impossible because there's only so many hours in the day. After implementing AI agents, everything changes. Your business becomes faster and more responsive. Work gets automated so your team can focus on high-value activities. Everything is organized and running smoothly. And here's the big one. You can actually grow without proportionally increasing your workload. The business starts working for you instead of you working for the business. Time saved. The time savings alone are incredible. We're talking about saving multiple hours every single day by removing repetitive tasks from your plate. Those hours add up to entire days every week, which you can now spend on growth, strategy, or honestly just having a better quality of life outside of work. More customers. And here's the business impact that matters most. When you reply to leads instantly instead of hours or days later, you win way more customers. It really is that simple. Speed wins in today's market. The first business to respond almost always gets the sale. AI agents make you that business every single time. Getting started. Start small. So, how do you actually get started with AI agents without getting overwhelmed? The best approach is to start small and focused. Pick one single thing to automate first. Don't try to automate your entire business on day one. Just choose the one task that's taking up the most time or causing the most stress, and start there. Then you can build from that foundation. Choose your first agent. Think about which type of agent would have the biggest impact on your specific business. Maybe it's a receptionist agent that handles incoming messages, or a sales agent who qualifies leads, or a dispatch agent that manages logistics, or an invoicing agent that handles billing. Choose the one that will remove the most stress or save you the most time right away. Let it learn. Once your agent is set up, give it time to learn your business. AI agents get smarter over time as they handle more conversations and tasks. They learn your preferences, your common scenarios, and your specific workflows. The longer you use it, the better it gets at understanding exactly how you want things done. Scale over time. As your business continues to grow and you see the value from your first agent, you can add more agents to automate even more of your operations. You can build an entire team of AI agents, each one handling a specific function in your business. This is how you scale without constantly adding overhead. Call to action. Legacy Solutions AI. So here's how we can help. At Legacy Solutions AI, we specialize in building custom AI agents that are designed specifically around your exact workflow and business needs. We don't use generic templates. We build agents that understand your business, your customers, and your processes. Everything is customized to work the way you actually operate. Free AI Playbook. And we want to give you something valuable right now. Book a free AI Playbook session with us. We'll sit down, look at your business, and map out all the specific automations that will save you the most time and make you the most money. You'll walk away with a clear plan of exactly what to automate and how it will work in your business. So if you're ready to stop wasting hours on repetitive tasks, start closing more deals, and actually have time to grow your business, book your call using the link below. Let's build your first AI agent together and help your business run smoother, faster, and more profitably than ever before. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to working with you.